What?
But,
Look if you buck.
but,
Don, don't come in here.
you better, but, but, but.
Slapped her with the pistol, he fucking hard ass. Like a fucking dog, taking after cats. What the fuck is wrong with this lame ass shit? Just drop his ass on his motherfucking shit. You don't want this, I'll break your fucking neck. Rip your Adam's apple right about your chest. You don't want me talking bad about they give your ass 99 problems, but I still got gas. Jackson on the beat, doing this shit nice. Into fucking sweet, like some iced tea. I am so real, ripping it every day. You know that young nigga right here don't play. And I'm so fucking hard, got the fucking streets on lock. This is my motherfucking block. Yeah, you already know, got the fucking hoes. Women coming around here with the fresh dress clothes.
But, if you buck out to the fucking streets. But. Jackson make these niggas. Thanks a lot. Peterson just fucked up my verse. I'm about to replay it. But. You know I say but, that means fucking run. When I skip that gap on motherfucking deck. You see that motherfucking gap is on fire. Better watch out, cause I'm on fire. If I catch you round in my motherhood, I cap your ass down, leave you ass in goods. Yeah, I put you in that garbage bag. Next thing, I'm on the fucking news. Oh my god, I just killed your mom. You better watch out, cause I killed your mom. Yeah, I might. Yo, you better watch out, cause I'm on fire. Go be.
Anymore.
Go.
Yeah. But. You can tell I'm a dope boy by my dress code. You see me in the corner street selling my dope. I got some powder for you fucking crackers smelling. Every time you see me in the hood, you be rocking. Every time you see me, you be buying a hood. You can't get a lick off of me because I got my shit. I got a K in my fucking place. If you fuck with me, I'ma lay your shit on the ground, nigga.